goodbye to 2021 and welcome 2022 with lots of happiness and joy. New Year's Day is celebrated all around the world and each country seems to have its own unique New Year's celebrations to ensure happiness and luck in the coming year. So let's take a look at some of the unique New Year traditions around the world and see how people will be ringing in the next year. First, let us know the history of New Year's Day. New Year's Day was not always celebrated on January 1st. The earliest New Year festivities date back about 4,000 years. At that time, the people of ancient Babylon began their new year in what we call now as March. They would have an 11-day festival to celebrate the beginning of spring, and they used to think that the crops were being planted for the coming year. The calendar that we use today, which is known as the Gregorian calendar, was introduced 400 years ago by Pope Gregory XIII in 1582. He declared that January 1st should be the New Year's Day for everyone. And since that time, most of the Western world has celebrated the start of the year just like you do on the first day of January. That's the history of New Year's Day, quite short but very interesting. Unique traditions around the world. Spain, eating grapes for good luck. In Spain, locals will eat exactly 12 grapes at the stroke of midnight to honor a tradition that started in the late 19th century. Back in the 1800s, wine growers in the Alicante area came up with this tradition as a means of selling more grapes towards the end of the year. But the sweet celebration quickly caught on. Even today, they eat 12 grapes at midnight on New Year's Eve to bring 12 months of happiness. Scotland, first footing. In Scotland, the day before January 1st is so important that there is even an official name for it, Hogmanay. According to Scottish beliefs, the first person who crosses through the threshold of your house after midnight on New Year's Day should be a dark-haired male if you wish to have good luck in the coming year. Traditionally, these men came bearing gifts of coal, salt and shortbread, all of which have further contributed to the idea of having good fortune. But why dark-haired men? Well, back when Scotland was being invaded by the Vikings, the last thing you wanted to see at your doorstep was a light-haired man bearing a giant axe. So that today the opposite, a dark-haired man, symbolizes opulence and success. Russia, planting underwater trees. For the past 25 years or so, it has been a Russian holiday tradition for two divers, aptly named Father Frost and the Ice Maiden, to venture into a frozen Lake Baikal, the world's largest freshwater lake, and take a New Year tree more than 100 feet below the surface. Brazil, throwing white flowers into the ocean. In Brazil, it is a commonplace for citizens to take to the shores on New Year's Eve to make offerings to Yamoja, a major water deity who is said to control the seas to elicit her blessings for the year to come. Greece, hanging onions. The Greeks believed that onions are a symbol of rebirth, and so they hang the pungent vegetable on their doors to promote growth throughout the new year. According to Greeks, What the odorous onion ever wants is to plant its roots and keep growing. Similarly, Greeks want to promote their growth like onions. Denmark, smashing plates. Wow, this looks amazing. In Denmark, people take pride in the number of broken dishes outside their door by the end of New Year's Eve. It's a Danish tradition to throw china at your friends and neighbors' front doors on New Year's Eve. Some say that it's a means of leaving any aggression and ill will behind before the new year begins. And it is also said that bigger your pile of broken dishes, the more luck you will have in the upcoming year. Ecuador, burning scarecrows. In Ecuador, New Year's Eve festivities are lit up by bonfires. At the center of each of these bonfires are effigies, most often representing politicians and other figures from the year prior. These burnings of the old year are held at the end of every year to cleanse the world of all the bad from the past 12 months and make room for the good to come. Germany, pouring lead. In Germany, using the flames from a candle, each person melts a small piece of lead or tin and pours it into a container of cold water. The shape that lead or tin forms is said to reveal a person's fate for the upcoming year. Japan, ringing bells. 108. That's how many times Buddhist temples in Japan ring their bells on New Year's Eve. This tradition is meant to both dispel the 108 evil desires in each and every person and cleanse the previous year of past sins. Estonia, eating many meals. There, people believe that eating 7, 9 or 12 meals will bring about good things in the year to come, seeing as those numbers are considered lucky throughout the country. And if you can't finish your food, worry not. People often purposely leave food on their plates to feed their visiting family members. Not the guests, the ones in spirit form. Switzerland, dropping ice cream. In celebration of the new year, the Swiss channel good luck, wealth and abundance by dropping a dollop of ice cream on the floor at midnight. Greece, coin in cake. Greece for the second time. A gold or silver coin is baked into a cake called a vassilopita. After baking the cake, a coin is inserted through the base, and when cut, the person who finds the coin is said to be granted luck for the rest of the year. That's all about the New Year's Day. May this year bring new happiness, new goals, new achievements, and a lot of new inspirations on your life. Wishing you a year fully loaded with happiness. Once again, I wish you all a very happy new year. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe and activate the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Links are provided in the description box. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.